master bedroom on the ground floor and wonderful preserve views. This bright, sunny, and immaculate home has the most spacious and open floor plan with 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and a 2-car garage. Numerous upgrades include granite counters, stainless steel appliances, crown molding, tile, and a newer AC. The Escondido Casita has the ease and luxury of maintenance-free living with the privacy of a single-family home. The Escondido floor plan has the master bedroom, master bath, and a powder room on the ground floor and 3 bedrooms and full bath on second floor. The outstanding array amenities with 20,000 square foot of enjoyment include a resort-style pool with poolside service, state-of-the-art fitness center, movie theater with stadium seating, pub and bistro dining, ice cream parlor, tennis, basketball, pickle ball, bocce ball, volleyball, and a kiddie pool area. This Mediterranean architecture-style community has lots of green space and is close to the beaches, restaurants,